Hi, this is Jim from SEN. A while back, SEN showed you how to add a free soundtrack to a video that you had already uploaded to YouTube. It was simple, if somewhat clunky, mainly because you couldn't apply fades to the soundtrack. Well, today we'll show you how to download free soundtracks from YouTube while you're still editing your video. That makes good sense. Maybe I'm just slow, but I could not find a button, link, or arrow to point me the way to this free service. So I'm plastering the URL at the top, and we'll show it again at the end of this video. It's obvious upon arrival there are hundreds of soundtracks to choose from. YouTube's categories help you find what you need. Search by genre, from alternative and punk to children, classic, or rock and roll. Or pick your music by mood, whether it's happy, inspirational, or sad. Maybe you have an instrument in mind, from a simple acoustic guitar to a synthesizer or a trumpet. The next category to me is the most helpful. You can pick the length of your soundtrack to better match the length of your video. Another option is to go to the search box. I'm looking for a soundtrack I used in a previous SEN video. There it is, The Creek. I like this track, and I'm going to mark it as a favorite, which can then be accessed from a Favorites button that sits beside the categories we've already reviewed. I simply click the star to make it a favorite. Now I'm downloading it to my computer. Audio files, as you can see, are not very large, so it is a fairly painless download. Going back to the main free music page, I'm going to skip over ad-supported music and go to sound effects. Yes, there are a host of sound effects, and you can pick them by category if you wish. Lastly, I'm going to the ad-supported music section. This is one I won't be using for videos, but if you can't get enough of It's All About That Bass, check it out. In the fine print, you'll discover there are restrictions, and if you're allowed to play it, pop-up ads will appear on your finished video. That's not my cup of tea. So that's how you download free music from YouTube. Be sure to jot down the URL shown here and have at it. It's www.youtube.com/audiolibrary/music. Thanks for watching.